Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva, and I'm here to tell y'all today that SHEIN, they have a sale going on where if you buy one wig you get another one free. You heard me right. Buy one, get one free. That's right. So before y'all go over there to go get this deal, I'm gonna show y'all the ones I have. So this would be the one I purchased, and this is the one I got for free, okay? And I'm gonna try them both on today for you guys to see them. So first, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and put the free one on, which is this one, because this will be much easier to put on than the other one. And it came with a stocking cap, of course. Now let me show you guys what it looks like. This is it, y'all. As you can see, it's a bang wig, but it is human hair, which means it's gonna last you a long time. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the stocking cap on that they sent me with the wig. And like I said, this wig is a bang wig and it's also a bob, so this shouldn't be that hard to go on, right? And this wig also has some clips in it. I can feel them. They're in the sides and the back. Oh, I like it. I like it already. Wait, yes, I like it. I haven't done anything to it yet, but I could see that I need to at least run my flat iron over it a little bit. You know, just fix it up. So I'm gonna do that. Can y'all tell I love it? Can you tell I love it? Oh my goodness. I can't believe it. Yes, y'all, this is in the free batch. So go get you one. Go get you one. And you can't go wrong with bangs, I tell you. Like, so easy to put on. As you can see, y'all, it has a little parting in the top. I think I'm gonna add some concealer on it to brighten it up. That's something I should have probably done before putting it on, but I'm gonna see if I could. This is gorgeous. This is nice. I love it. I love it so much. I'm wondering if I should change. That's why I'm just here looking like, yeah, I'm gonna change. I'm gonna change. Okay, guys, so this is it. For a free wig, I think this is really beautiful. And they do have a lot of different choices that you could choose from. So you really don't have to get bangs like me. I went for the bangs because I wanted something that I could easily throw on and off when I want. Let me do a turn so you guys could see the back of it. So this is what it looks like. I can't even tell what it looks like in the back, but I am guessing it looks really nice. Definitely love it. It is mwah, so cute. But let's go try the other one, see what we think. Now I'm gonna go ahead and try this one on for you guys. So let's look in here, see what we got. Okay, so I got another stocking cap, and this time this is a blonde wig and it's a lace front wig. So like I said, it's gonna take a little bit longer to go on, so let's get to it. First, let me show you guys what the wig look like. This is it right here. You could tell it's pre-bleach. It's also pre-plucked, as you can see there. And I absolutely love the color. This is not the first time I got like a color like this from SHEIN, but I love this color. It always eats down. I'm very excited to put it on and see what it looks like. So let me do that. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and apply some bronzer onto the stocking cap because it's just too light right now and we don't want it to see through the lace when I put the wig on. Okay, that should do it. I'm going to use some alcohol and clean this area up where I'm going to be putting the gel, because I'm going to be using gel today. I'm not going to be using no glue. So I also added some of the bronzer in here. I know it doesn't look that noticeable, but I sure did add some in there. And the reason why is because I put bronzer on my forehead, so I wanted to have like a seamless blend, if you know what I mean. I like the way this wig fits my head so far. I do. Because some of these wigs, when I put them on, I'm having too much trouble getting them to fit. And I know I can't be the only one, but hey. This wig does not have a strap inside of it. That's the only thing that I don't really like, because I like when they have the strap to hold it. I'm gonna use this on it because we have so much flyaway going on right now, and I need all that out of my way. And this is just an edge wax stick. To make this easier for me, I'm gonna cut it over here, like right here. I hope I didn't cut it too far in, because sometimes I do that. Alright, and then I'm gonna flip this part, and I'm gonna be using my Bold Hold lace jelly today, and I'm also gonna be using some melting spray. Yeah, so now I'm just gonna use my blow dryer to just dry this down a little bit. And now I'm gonna place this on it. I don't know why it gives me so much trouble to spray it. I just don't know why. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it right here. Perfect. So now I'm gonna go ahead, add some more jelly right here, and I'm gonna just use it to brush my edges in at the same time, just like that. And instead of spraying this on the top like I did before, I'm gonna just spray it up in here like that. All right, and then we're gonna just dry that. That's perfect too. All right, let's add some jelly, and again I'm gonna just use it to brush my edges in, because this is gel. It's not gonna do anything to my edges. It's not gonna damage it. And again, I'm gonna just spray this right there. Yeah, this thing is so runny. Too much coming out at once. That's my only problem with it. Okay guys, so I want to do a side part, and I want to just do it now, do the party now before I put my elastic band on. So let me do that. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and tie this down right here, not too far up. And while this continues to dry, I'm gonna work on the rest of the hair. I love this streak right here. I'm gonna curl this hair because I'm feeling like it. I mean, it does have its own curl, but I just want to put some curls in the front just to frame my face. So let me do that off camera and I'll be back. This is how we're looking right now. I went ahead and cut the lace off also, and add my little bronzer going on the front right there. So it's basically finished. I just have to change, let the curls down, and then I'll show you the finished look. So this is the finished look of the second hair, you guys, and I must say I really love this unit so much. The curls aren't very defined down here, and that's because I didn't curl it down here. I only curled, you know, like the front right here. But as you can see, the curls look really good. They flow in, and I just love the way it looks. I love the way it frames my face and everything. I absolutely love it. I did not do any baby hair. It wasn't needed, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's how it's looking. I love the color. I love the feel of the hair. I love the length. Everything about this wig is just amazing. Can y'all really believe this wig is from SHEIN? Like, SHEIN is really stepping up their game. And like I said, if you buy one, you get one for free. So definitely head on over there and go get yourself 2 wigs, not one, 2, all the way down to my waist for you to see the whole length. I would probably have to stand up. There we go. So that's how long this wig is. I'm not really sure what the length is, but I will definitely put it in the description box for you guys. Definitely go check out SHEIN wigs. Buy one, get one free. Like, it doesn't get any better than that. So let me know what you guys think about the wigs that I tried today. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Don't forget to like. If you have not already subscribed, please go ahead and do so. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.